Let's get one thing straight. None of these are actually illegal, but if you ask most service advisors about them, they'll hesitate. Because once you understand these, you stop booking unnecessary appointments. You stop replacing parts early. You stop panicking over fake problems. And you start running your Tesla the way it was designed to be run. Most owners drive electric. Very few drive intelligently. Here are 7 Tesla tricks that feel illegal because they give you control back. And the first one alone can save you thousands in unnecessary battery anxiety. Trick number 1, the fake battery degradation scare. You wake up. Your Tesla used to show 310 miles. Now it says 284. No warning, no alert, just lower. And immediately your brain goes, my battery is degrading. Maybe, but most of the time, it's not degradation, it's math. That range number is not a live measurement of battery health. It's an algorithm. And that algorithm adjusts based on your driving style, your charging habits, temperature patterns, supercharger frequency, aggressive acceleration. Drive hard for a month, it drops. Supercharge constantly, it drops. Only charge between 40 to 70% for months, it drifts downward. And most owners never recalibrate it. Here's the reset that feels illegal. For 3 consecutive days, run battery down near 10%, charge to 90 to 100%, leave it plugged in overnight. On day 4, set to 80%, leave the car parked for 24 hours unplugged. This forces the battery management system to rebuild its internal estimate. Many owners instantly see 10 to 20 miles restored, not because the battery healed, but because the estimate corrected itself. Most people panic. Smart owners recalibrate. Now let's talk about something even more powerful. Trick number 2, the hidden diagnostic screen. Before you book a $200 diagnostic appointment, open this. Go to ES Software tab. Hold down your model name for a few seconds. Type Service. Welcome to Service Mode. This is Tesla's internal diagnostic dashboard. You can see battery voltage details, cooling system behavior, thermal data, charging performance, error logs. Instead of guessing, you can verify. Hearing a strange cooling noise? Check thermal activity. Worried about battery imbalance? Look at voltage spread. Sometimes you'll realize nothing is wrong, and you just saved yourself a service visit. Transparency removes fear, and fear is expensive. Speaking of expensive, let's talk about brakes. Trick number 3, the brake wear illusion. Most Tesla owners think, no brake use, no brake wear. That's half true. Regenerative braking handles most deceleration, which means brake pads can last 100,000 miles or more. But here's the problem. If you almost never use mechanical brakes, your rotors can corrode, especially in cold or wet climates. And then, one day service tells you, you need new rotors. And you're confused. You barely use them. Exactly. Here's the illegal fix. Once every few weeks, or switch to lower region mode. Perform several firm mechanical stops from moderate speed safely. You clean the rotor surface. You prevent buildup. You keep braking hardware healthy. It takes 5 minutes, and it can prevent unnecessary replacements. But winter is where most owners lose serious money. So let's fix that next. Trick number 4, stop destroying range in winter. Every winter, the same posts appear. My range dropped 30%. Is my battery dying? No, cold killed my range. Cold doesn't kill your battery. Inefficiency does. Most owners blast cabin heat at 75 degrees the moment they sit down. That pulls serious energy. Here's the smarter system. Before you unplug, precondition while plugged in. Use scheduled departure. Heat the cabin on wall power. Then, set cabin lower, 68 to 69 degrees. Use seat heaters. Seat heaters consume significantly less energy than full cabin heat. And preconditioning while plugged in means you're using grid electricity, not battery. Same comfort, more range, less stress. And while we're talking about invisible drains, let's talk phantom loss. Trick number 5, the phantom drain cut. If you lose 3-5% overnight, it's not ghosts. It's background systems. Common culprits. Sentry mode. Cabin overheat protection. Third-party tracking apps. Constant Tesla app checking. Every time you open the app, the car wakes up. Every wake cycle consumes power. Sentry mode running 24/7 at home, that's steady background drain. Here's what to do. For 48 hours, disable Sentry at home, turn off unnecessary background features, avoid excessive app checks, monitor loss. Many owners cut phantom drain by over 50%. You don't need to disable protection everywhere, just at low-risk locations. Most people never test it. They just assume. Now let's talk about something costing people thousands every 2 years. Tires. Trick number 6, the early rotation advantage. Tesla torque is instant and heavy, especially on rear-biased setups. That means rear tires wear faster, but most owners rotate at 10,000 miles. Too late. By then, uneven wear patterns are already established. Here's the smarter schedule. Rotate at 5,000 to 6,000 miles, not 10,000. This balances torque stress earlier. It extends tire life, reduces uneven edge wear, improves rolling efficiency. That alone can add thousands of miles to tire lifespan. Multiply that over several sets, that's real money. But the final trick? This one surprise says almost everyone. Trick number 7, digital resale optimization. Teslas don't age like normal cars. They age digitally. Every drive, every charge, every aggressive acceleration, it's logged. When dealers evaluate your Tesla, they don't just look at paint, tires, mileage. They look at digital behavior. Before selling your Tesla, 1. Install latest stable software. 2. Reduce supercharging 30 to 60 days before sale. 3. Stay within 20-80% charging window. 4. Disable excessive Sentry usage. 5. Drive smoothly. Why? Because recent data influences valuation confidence. A well-managed digital profile suggests responsible ownership, lower stress on battery, predictable performance. 2 identical Teslas can receive different offers based purely on usage behavior. Manage the data, control the offer. But there's one more bonus most owners ignore. Bonus, insurance score control. If you use Tesla insurance, your safety score affects your premium. That means hard braking, aggressive turning, unsafe following distance, all translate into monthly cost. Smoother driving doesn't just improve range, it lowers insurance payments every single month. And over years, that compounds. Final thought, none of these tricks are illegal. They just feel like they are, because they shift control away from reactive maintenance and toward proactive optimization. Traditional ownership says, wait for something to break. Tesla ownership says, understand the system. When you manage charging rhythm, driving behavior, thermal logic, background systems, software recency, you stop guessing, you stop overpaying, you stop panicking over normal behavior. Most owners drive their Tesla like a car. Smart owners run it like software. And if you want more breakdowns like this, the hidden ownership strategies most people never talk about, make sure you subscribe, because the difference between average Tesla ownership and optimized Tesla ownership is usually thousands of dollars. And now you know exactly where those thousands are hiding.